At Chattanooga Exteriors, we're proud to offer expert decking installation services for homeowners in Lookout Mountain, Tennessee. Whether you're dreaming of a beautiful new space to entertain guests or a peaceful outdoor retreat for your family, our team is dedicated to crafting custom decks that bring your vision to life. Using only the highest quality materials, such as Trex composite decking, we ensure your new deck will not only look amazing but stand the test of time with minimal maintenance. Imagine transforming your backyard into a stunning extension of your home, perfect for hosting gatherings, enjoying quiet evenings, or creating lasting memories. Chattanooga Exteriors is here to make that dream a reality. Plus, now's the time to take advantage of our $1,000 off promotion on decking or siding installation. Call us today at 423-805-3800 or visit us online at ChattanoogaExteriors.com to learn more. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer.